Okay, this is another rarity. I've got immense resting on me motor, parts of it that I've made. Stacks sitting up there, pretty rare. Just little plastic little inserts I found that I'll whack on top of my block, which is a battery. My manifold intake is a hinge. Hard to see through here though. Trust me, it's in there though. Of course you've seen the rest. Oh yes. Yes. That's where it is at the moment. I'm just letting it settle in. Yeah. Just letting it settle in. So when I show you again, hopefully it'll have the pipes on it and all that. Okay? Rock and roll. Stay cool. Be cool. Rock and roll. Long live scratch building.